All right, Sam's Town 669. We got pretty much normal hotel room. 2 beds, 1 TV, a desk, a mirror, bookcase that's wallpaper, pretty normal bathroom, pretty normal shower tub. Pretty good. Underneath the TV, you had some drawers for storage, as well as a fridge that was thankfully empty and a safe. There was plenty of USBs around. Every lamp had USBs and normal plugs, and the alarm clock had a couple more USBs. The TGI Fridays downstairs had dinner, and they also had breakfast in the day. It wasn't included, but for the price, I wouldn't expect it to be. And be careful where you park your wagon, because the Las Vegas police will take care of that.